In this video, we'll see the delicious recipe of cool, refreshing and tasty fruit custard of right consistency. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need half liter, that is 500 ml milk. I suggest that you use full fat milk because that would make your dessert creamy. Here I've got 2.5 tablespoon vanilla custard powder. I use measuring cups and spoons. This is exactly 2.5 tablespoon. Add some milk from the 500 ml milk. Make sure while you do this the milk is not hot or warm. It should be either cold or at room temperature. Set that aside and bring the remaining milk to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add sugar. Here I am taking 6 tablespoons sugar, which is exactly I feel is the right sweetness fruit custard should have. Now add the prepared custard powder slurry and give this a good mix. At this stage you should be continuously stirring. If you have a whisk, you can use a whisk, otherwise you can use a ladle or any karchi. Keep cooking this for 3 to 4 minutes between low to medium flame while stirring, very important, and it will gradually thicken. After this period, switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down. See, this is what the consistency should look like. After it comes to room temperature, it would thicken, and it would thicken more upon refrigeration. So don't worry, it would thicken up. So this has cooled down completely. I'm going to whisk it. At this stage, you can sift this mixture, but I feel it's not really needed. If you have a cling film, so you can place a cling film while this mixture is hot and you would not get this layer, this film on top of the custard. So totally up to you, you may use it. Now I'm using a spatula to scrape the sides. This is one special tip from my end. Do not add the fruits right now. First refrigerate this custard mixture for 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile you can keep your fruits separately in the fridge. But after setting this in your fridge for 1 to 2 hours, fridge not freezer, give it a good mix and now you would get really nice and smooth custard, and then add your fruits. So I'm adding pomegranate, apple, banana and grapes. You can add any other fruit, but make sure you do not add watery fruits like pineapple, watermelon. My favorite fruit in custard is banana. I mean, I can have this custard with only banana. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite fruit in your fruit custard. Except banana, everything was kept in the fridge, so the custard is really nice and cold. I'm serving it right now, but after this stage you can again set it in your fridge for 30 minutes and you can eat it. But I'm serving it right away. Finally, decoration with some sliced grapes and pomegranate. So make sure you use the right measurements and your custard would turn out delicious. Also follow the tips. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.